Glambyruna, and today is going to be a very exciting vlog. You're gonna hear me curse a little bit. You're gonna hear me be sassy, because I thought in order for me to show you guys who the fuck I really am, I need to do vlogs. Yes, I announced I need to do vlogs, and my bed's not done. My husband's gonna tell me that I am a dirty piece of trash because I never make my bed. No, I'm just kidding, I actually do make my bed. I just wanted to seem relevant on YouTube. Check out a full week with me and see how fabulous my oh so boring life is. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe, because you know I'm a thirsty hoe like that. I need subscribers. I need you guys all to join my very positive body loving community. I teach you how to be yourself, and I teach you how to love yourself, and I also teach you how to throw shady comments to your auntie who's always talking shit at every family party. If she tells you you have a pretty face but you need to lose some weight one more fucking time, I'll teach you how to slap her. Subscribe! We need to make the bed. We need to make the bed. Does this bed look like we had sex on it? Maybe. Evidence of sexual night. I'm about to pack these up, fill it with all the clothes that I think I'm going to be able to live off of for a week, and then I'm going to leave him. Have you guys ever watched those cereals, those Indian cereals, Bollywood cereals? Like, if you guys know, I'm like obsessed with Bollywood cereals. But do you always see that the wife, the innocent, angelic, oh so sad, victimized wife, every time she's ready to leave her husband, she has like her suitcase ready and packed, like just pulls it out and be like, I'm ready to leave your ass. And then they have the dramatic scene of da, da, da. On a serious note, I went to do a photo shoot, and I have, you know, all this in a bag, put my whole life in a bag, and I went and did a photo shoot. Also signs of sexual happenings. And yeah, put this stuff back up right there because I'm trying to be more organized, and I'm trying to avoid putting clothes on my floor all the time, but I still do. Another evidence of sexual things happen. Are you smelling me? Did I smell bad or something?
No.
She started. Anyways.
Alright guys, so we are going to...
Can you sit more forward? There you go.
I don't know what we are shopping for, Runa knows, but I'm just going...
FYI, I hate Ikea too. Two stores on my list that I am not like I don't super enjoy is Walmart and Ikea.
I like Ikea. You get a lot of good like ideas.
Yeah.
For organizing and stuff like that.
Yeah, I just hate, like, it's just sometimes it's like so crowded, and it's like Disneyland up in there. And like everyone acts like it's a sale or something. People run you over with their carts. Like, it's just disrespectful.
What I don't like about Ikea is putting together their furniture. That's my least favorite thing to do. I hate it. It takes me a long time to put things together, and
I help you.
Yeah, right. My body aches afterwards. It's very painful after buying the furniture or whatnot.
You guys, I actually do help Nayar though. He's lying and saying that I don't
help with what?
I help you.
You like maybe read the
instructions. Reading the instructions is a huge deal.
Okay. All right.
You can't do anything without instructions.
So okay, we're going to IKEA. I read them myself.
No, I read them to you.
Anyway.
And when it becomes a complicated situation where the instructions are just too complicated, I break it down for you.
No, you don't. I don't remember when you did that.
Okay.
Cool, so let's go to IKEA.
You know what they say, don't ever help anybody.
You never helped me. You never did.
You sound salty.
Huh?
You sound so salty about that one.
What?
Okay, anyways, you guys, we're gonna go to Ikea. I'm super excited. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna get though, but we're gonna like check stuff out. Okay guys, we're here at Ikea and we're about to go up this scary escalator. I'm like terrified of this escalator because I'm like really scared of heights, and this escalator scares the shit out of me, so I'm gonna probably cry while I go up this escalator. Huh?
The elevator's not working.
And the elevator's not working. Usually we take the elevator, but it's not working, so we're just gonna take this terrifying... Babe, can you get behind me? Oh my god! No, don't say that. Oh my god, and it starts to shake. Sorry. And it starts to shake. I get so freaked out. And we're only on one story. Hey, don't do that. You're so evil, trying to scare me. Okay, this is like, whoo, it gets scary. Look it. I'm like just terrified of heights. I think that's what's going on here. It's, ooh, getting a little scared. Nayar, where are you? Oh my god, this is like the scary part. Ah! No, there's no more. I really like this chair, babe. Isn't it so cute? Sit down in it. Is that comfy? Look at you. Is it comfy? Huh? You like it?
We can do a little bit better.
We can what?
We can do better.
A little bit better? Okay.
I don't see myself falling asleep.
You don't? Let's go get something else. It has a vintage vibe to it though. No? Not feeling it? So we decided that I am going to only have one sofa in the house, and then we're gonna have other two cute like chairs. So we're on the search for the cute chairs. And like, why does Ikea have like amazing lighting though? Just saying, right? No, they have like amazing lighting. Yeah, doesn't that look good? Even though my hair is crazy. You guys, we're new vloggers, so I'm super shy vlogging. Huh? But all for the friends. We should get this too. It's like adds to my desk, so it'll just go on top, and then I'll have like the drawers. I'll have these drawers, and then I'll have like my TV, like my computer could sit on top of it. What do you think?
Yeah, that's actually pretty cool.
Right? And then it just like kind of gives me more space.
So you can set your
Computer on
right
top.
there,
Yeah.
and
then have like that bottom space right there, so I can like work on stuff on the bottom. I think we could have great nights on top of it too. We could have good sessions on it.
session like.
Anytime I create a sexual joke, Nayar gets like thrown off. What?
Yeah, because
I just like to get his reactions. It's hilarious. It's like, what? What are you talking about? We're a couple. We're a healthy couple that love each other.
my battery's dying.
You want me to get this, but I don't like the price.
That's exactly what you're looking for.
No, I just don't like that price though. That price is hideous. You like the price?
Oh, it's very comfy.
Nope. Room. Am I what?
Looks like a haunted place to me.
I like this room. I love the lace and the burgundy. How does it look like a haunted room?
I don't know, the bed frame
Oh, I like the vibe of it though.
and the curtains.
You're just a hater.
I would get freaked out.
Look at this though. This one's cute. Right? What do you think?
You talking about the color or the furniture?
The color and the vibe, no?
The light is pretty interesting.
Yeah, that light is cool. This is like a dream kitchen, right?
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
Super dope. Super high tech. We need one like this.
I like the gas stove.
I want one like this. You gonna get me one? Actually, I'm gonna get myself one. I'll need you.
Even better.
Even better.
And you can cook me dinner in your own kitchen.
If anyone's gonna be cooking anybody dinner, it's gonna be Nayar cooking me dinner.
Are you sure you want to eat it?
Oh yeah, you can't cook at all. Yeah, you can't cook at all.
I would love to cook.
Who's your queen?
You.
Exactly.
I need to
I'm glad you're finally admitting to me being your queen.
Pat myself. We're gonna have Patrick ice cubes from SpongeBob SquarePants.
I don't like SpongeBob SquarePants.
Who lives in the pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants.
No, that's too big. Why do you need such a big one?
Turn around.
No.
You spank that big booty.
That's disrespectful.
Turn around.
Nope. No. Ah! And you actually hit me with it. You're actually gonna get a hot dog? Even though we said no hot dog?
So good.
Oh, okay, fine. We'll get you a hot dog. So that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sometimes I will share some little vlogs on my channel just so you guys could get to know me more. I think it's important that you guys get to know me. We get to know each other. If you guys like vlogs, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. Also, don't forget I have a vlog channel with my husband. It's called The Azams. The link is also in the description box and you guys should go and subscribe over there because we upload vlogs twice a week over there if you're super into vlogs. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!